So for the ladies them who interested in a canned food, this is a video for you. This is an exclusive video. So I wanna watch keenly because we don't know when we're gonna do this again. Okay? Alright, for the peas, we have poured everything in it. And we're now wash it off. Because the ingredients in this is just the pigeon peas, water, and sea salt. So we're not worried about washing off the peas. So that is it. For the coconut milk, I use half can. Then I use 1 can of the pea pan with water. Alright, so this is where we have to do more. We're gonna put extra garlic than what we normally do. We're gonna add a piece of ginger. Add some crushed pimento seed. A little sugar is not a must, but it's a game changer. I'm gonna stir that. So we're gonna cover that and make a piece go and boil in that. So we'll come back to this. Add some scallion and thyme. Remove this. So we'll add scallion and thyme. Gonna add piece of butter. Cause remember, I know the real coconut milk is here. So I try to catch every flavor in the pot as possible. Add a little all-purpose. Okay. Cook this for another maybe 2-3 minutes. Then we taste it to see if we need nothing else in the pot. So while the chicken over the start fry, we just take on this. So we just taste it. It's alright to me.